What is symmetry in the context of body arrangement? A. The process of cell division. B. The number of cells in an organism. C. A plane of arrangement of body parts. D. The shape of an animal's bones. The correct answer is C. A plane of arrangement of body parts. With whom did Mir Qasim form a confederacy after being defeated by the British? A. Shujaud-Daula and Shah Jahan. B. Shujaud-Daula and Shah Alam. C. Nawab of Awadh and Maratha Confederacy. D. Ahmad Shah Durrani and Tipu Sultan. The correct answer is B. Shujaud-Daula and Shah Alam. Which mode of transport is considered the most economical? A. Road transport. B. Shipping. C. Air transport. D. Rail transport. The correct answer is B. Shipping. What are examples of natural terrestrial ecosystems? A. Marshes, swamps, oceans. B. Forests, mountain regions, deserts. C. Lakes, rivers, ponds. D. Urban areas, farmlands, parks. The correct answer is B. Forests, mountain regions, deserts. What is the function of an inverter? A. To measure voltage. B. To convert DC to AC. C. To regulate current. D. To convert AC to DC. The correct answer is B. To convert DC to AC. What is the approximate summer temperature in Antarctica? A. 20 OC. B. 10 OC. C. 0 OC. D. 10 OC. The correct answer is C. 0 OC. Which metal is listed as a magnetic substance? A. Iron. B. Silver. C. Gold. D. Copper. The correct answer is A. Iron. How are angiosperms broadly divided based on the number of cotyledons? A. Shed-loving and sun-loving. B. Adiantum and non-adiantum. C. Xylem and phloem. D. Monocots and dicots. The correct answer is D. Monocots and dicots. When were the reports of the RV144 AIDS vaccine trial presented? A. 1981. Born in 1997. Circa 2011. D. 2003. The correct answer is circa 2011. Is Kanchipuram known as the city of lakes? A. True. B. Partially false. C. Cannot be determined. D. False. The correct answer is A. True. What are water bodies, deserts, and mountains examples of? A. Habitat types. B. Nutrient sources. C. Organ systems. D. Cellular structures. The correct answer is A. Habitat types. Which type of alloy contains iron as a major component? A. Ferrous alloys. B. Base metal alloys. C. Non-ferrous alloys. D. Precious alloys. The correct answer is A. Ferrous alloys. What type of chemical compound gives fruits and vinegar their sour taste? A. Bases. B. Sugars. C. Acids. D. Salts. The correct answer is C. Acids. In the scenario where the listener follows the source, case 3, what is the state of the source? A. Source at rest. B. Source moving away. C. Source moving towards. D. Source oscillating. The correct answer is A. Source at rest. Which Supreme Court case in 1954 highlighted the extension of certain rights to aliens? A. Ratilal Panchand v. State of Bombay. B. Minerva Mills v. Union of India. C. Maneka Gandhi v. Union of India. D. Keswananda Bharti v. State of Kerala. The correct answer is A. Ratilal Panchand v. State of Bombay. India signed the Dunkle Proposal in what year? A. 1994. Born in 1984. Circa 1950. D. 1976. The correct answer is A. 1994. What was the sun god, Re, later called? A. Ammon. B. Horus. C. Osiris. D. Thoth. The correct answer is A. Ammon. Which of the following is an example of physical capital? A. Shares and securities. B. Machinery. C. Money in savings. D. Bank deposits. The correct answer is B. Machinery. What statement about animals is presented as a gift from nature? A. They protect the environment. B. They are the greatest gift of nature. C. They provide us with food. D. They are a source of natural fibers. The correct answer is B. They are the greatest gift of nature. The experiment aims to identify whether the dissolution of a salt involves a net gain or loss of what? A. Mass. B. Volume. C. Energy. D. Pressure. The correct answer is C. Energy. What is the purpose of adding sodium carbonate salt in the described test? A. To detect the presence of an acid. B. To identify the presence of a base. C. To increase the solution's pH. D. To neutralize the solution. The correct answer is A. To detect the presence of an acid. A precipitation reaction is characterized by the formation of what? A. An insoluble compound and a soluble compound. B. An acid and a base. C. Two soluble compounds. D. A gas and a liquid. The correct answer is A. An insoluble compound and a soluble compound. Which country is the third largest bauxite producing country? A. Peru. B. Chile. C. Brazil. D. Argentina. The correct answer is C. Brazil. What is the characteristic of summers in regions with Mediterranean climate? A. Cold and wet. B. Hot and dry. C. Cool and rainy. D. Mild and humid. The correct answer is B. Hot and dry. What is the typical incubation period for influenza virus H5N1? A. More than 3 weeks. B. Less than 24 hours. C. 10 to 14 days. D. 2 to 7 days. The correct answer is D. 2 to 7 days. What type of substances might be contaminants in biomagnification? A. Plant nutrients. B. Heavy metals such as mercury. C. Sterile growth mediums. D. Organic fertilizers. The correct answer is B. Heavy metals such as mercury. Which animal is a primary source of wool? A. Pig. B. Cow. C. Chicken. D. Sheep. The correct answer is D. Sheep. What is the primary deficiency among children mentioned in the text? A. Stunting. B. Underweight. C. Malnutrition. D. Wasting. The correct answer is B. Underweight. What innovation did the Scottish engineer Watt convert a stationary steam engine into? A. A rotary engine. B. A water-powered engine. C. A locomotive engine. D. A combustion engine. The correct answer is A. A rotary engine. What is the role of the steam produced from the coolant in a nuclear power plant? A. To purify the radioactive materials. B. To run a turbine to produce electricity. C. To create a vacuum for the reaction. D. To cool the reactor core further. The correct answer is B. To run a turbine to produce electricity. How did you score?